Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how we can go ahead and short YouTube videos by all this. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So after the new update, somehow YouTube has removed that feature from the YouTube itself, so that it's kind of annoying for everybody, I guess. So if you're going YouTube and if you're not being able to get that, all days videos option, what you're gonna do, simply go ahead, open your Chrome or phone browser right there. Once your browser open, go ahead, search that particular channel's name or the channel's name. Go ahead, go to that channel, you will go to this videos, right, latest and popular. Again, if you go to this short option, now you in the browser version you will be able to find this arrow icon. If you tap on that, you will be able to select playlist, channels, about, and search the other option. Go ahead, tap and search. Here you can search go ahead, search it up, and it will show you the videos that were uploaded at that time. You will be able to short those videos like that in that particular channel, or by the name, or by anything like that. So this is one of the way for you to short the oldest video. For example, if you're trying to find 2018, 2017, go ahead, you can type it right there. You will be able to find those kind of videos. So this is the option available right now. And yes guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.